Hey guys, welcome. So recently I stumbled across a brand new money-making opportunity. It was new to me, and that's what I want to share with you in this video today. Now, I mentioned I stumbled across this opportunity. You see, I've been in the affiliate marketing game for about 7 years now, but this was a program that wasn't really on my radar until I started seeing a bunch of people making a bunch of money with it. And when I say a bunch of money, I mean like couple $100,000. There's one guy, I think he's even made $1 million with this program. So anytime I see that, it obviously jumps up on my radar, and I want to dive in and see if it's legit, right? So that's what I did. I saw all these people were making money online, and when I dove into the systems and started picking apart what they were doing, I realized what they were doing was A, really straightforward and simple, and B, easy to get started and great for beginners. So I was like, cool, let's dive in and see if this works. And the cool thing is I dove in and it worked, guys. So that's why I created this channel. Even though this is my third YouTube channel, I wanted to create this YouTube channel specifically to chronicle my journey with this new affiliate program, and specifically to show you as a beginner the real tips and tricks of how to promote this program. So if that's something that is of interest to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit bell notifications. That way you get notified anytime I release a training or a tutorial. Because like I said, this is my third YouTube channel, guys. I'm not going to hold anything back. I just want to show you how to promote this program. And the coolest thing, I mentioned they were the people who were making a lot of money with this. They weren't really doing anything that crazy. Guys, they're using a simple 2-page website and an easy automated email sequence to generate passive income. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to take you inside my computer and show you how I reversed engineered it. That way you know the exact steps that you need to do if you want to be successful with this affiliate program, right? Let's jump right into it here. So this is the Legendary Marketer program, and as you can see here, I've been promoting it for just a couple months now. It's been a couple slow days because of Christmas recently. But you can see I've earned just over $8,000 over the past few months, which is pretty good because I'm just getting started with this. As you can see, the Becoming Legendary channel that you're on, well, if you're watching this video when it's released, it's brand new. I just decided like, okay, cool, this works. This is legit. Let's create this channel so I can show you from the beginning, because I have affiliate marketing experience, but I'm brand new to this program. So what better way to teach beginners how to promote this program is to kind of take you along on the journey as I learn how to promote it, right? You can kind of benefit from my experience, but you're going to see every step of the way. Now, really cool here, I want to show you this. Just as I was getting ready to shoot this video, I got a notification on my phone. I don't know if you can see it. Just got a payment delivered to my bank account for $173.08. So really cool there. Just kind of, I thought it was interesting that it was like happened right as I was getting ready to shoot this video. But anyways, it's the Legendary Marketer program. This is great for beginners for a number of reasons. That I'll probably save those specific reasons for another video on this channel. But it's quick to get started. I'm going to show you the 2-page website you need to make this happen, and I'm going to show you how to get the free traffic as well. So really cool there. The first thing you have to do is obviously get into the Legendary Marketer program. The reason that's cool is because Legendary Marketer teaches you how to become a better internet marketer. So they're actually going to help you make money, right? Rather than just being an affiliate program that's like, here's our product, go to it. They actually teach you how to promote it. So that's really cool. If you want to learn more about that, I'm going to recommend my 15-day challenge website, which is my 2-page website. You're going to get some freebies and stuff. We'll talk more about that in just a second. But right now, I want to show you how simple this is. I want to show you how this 2-page website works. Now, the first thing you need is you need a ClickFunnels account. Now, if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, ClickFunnels allows you to very easily build your website, okay, and host it online. Super simple. It used to be real hard. Like you had to learn WordPress and you had to integrate all this stuff and you had to pay for hosting. Now you don't have to do any of that with ClickFunnels. It's all drag and drop, super simple to build a website, and it's all hosted in one place. So it makes it really super simple. Guys, I'm going to show you this 2-page website. That way you know exactly what you need to do and you're going to see the magic behind it. But then I'm going to show you how you can just simply copy mine. Just one click, install it, swap out a few pictures, and you're good to go, right? So this is the 2-page website. It's actually a 3-page website because of a privacy policy, but it's really 2 functioning pages, and I'm going to show you how this works. All you have to do is drive free traffic to your homepage, which is going to look just like this. Okay, obviously you're going to put your logo here if you want. You're going to put a picture here of you and your name right here. And that's pretty much all you have to do to the homepage. Once again, you can copy this with one click. And I'm going to tell you how to do that in just a second. But this is going to be your homepage. This is going to be your website. This is where you're going to drive all of the free traffic. And you can drive free traffic a number of ways, guys. You can create a Facebook group for people who want to start an online business. Okay. Obviously, they're going to join the Facebook group, and then you tell them about this program that you're making money with, right? You can go into question and answer sites like Quora.com and answer questions from people who are asking, how do I make money online? Well, you can tell them about this program and send them to your website. You can create a YouTube channel. This is how you make the big bucks, and just answer questions on YouTube like, how do I get started with affiliate marketing? You make a video, just selfie style. Hey, the way to get started with affiliate marketing is learn how to become a marketer. If you want to do that, come to my website. I'll give you some free stuff, and you'll see a video that shows you how to do it, right? Super simple. If this isn't making sense, just stick with me here in this video because it's all going to come clear as I take you through the process. But anyways, those are some ways that you get free traffic, and just send them to this homepage. When people come to this homepage, they're going to say, hey, cool, I want an online business, and they're going to click the Start Now button. Well, when they do that, it's going to pop up this box, right? And they're going to enter their name and their email address. And the important thing here is you collect their email address. This is how you build a business online. Because when you collect those email addresses, then you can communicate with those people for free. You can talk about more affiliate programs that are related, right? Okay, this is how you build the value. The list becomes your business. You've heard the money's in the list. Well, it's absolutely true. This is how you do it. But once again, you don't have to set up complicated systems. You just need a 2-page website and the free traffic, which I just told you how to get. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. Everybody's going to be sent to this page. Well, after they enter their email address, because of the way ClickFunnels works and the way this template is set up, the next thing they're going to do is they're going to be automatically taken to what is called the bridge page. Guys, this is it. 2 pages for your website. That's all it takes. So a bridge page, if you're not familiar, is exactly what it sounds like. It's a bridge between you as the person who's sending the traffic to the next product owner. In this case, it's going to be Legendary Marketer, and I'm going to show you how this all works. Don't worry. And Dave Sharp. Okay, it's like you're making an introduction. It's kind of like say you had this guy who was going to give you a commission for everything he sold, but if you just said, hey, go check out this guy, he'll hook you up. It's going to be kind of like they might be skeptical, right? Who's he sending me to? They're going to get confused, right? But if you say, hey, come on over to my house. I want you to meet somebody. Come on in. Hey, this is my friend Dave. Dave, this is my friend Bill. You make the introduction, okay? Then they're going to be likely to get chatting, right? They're going to be likely to trust each other. Well, that's what a bridge page does, because let me show you how this works. So what's going to happen here is when someone, after they submit their email address, they're going to go over to this bridge page. And once again, if you copy mine, you just swap out where it says your logo here with your logo. And what you're going to do is you're going to put a little video here. Now, what this video does is essentially it makes the introduction, but via the internet. All you're going to do is shoot a quick video using your phone. Say, hey, my name is Brian Brewer. I got started with affiliate marketing. It's a great business for beginners because you don't have to create products. You just promote other people's products. Whoops, I hit Siri. You just promote other people's products, and then you earn the commission. One of the best affiliate marketers in the game, his name is Dave Sharp. He's got a great program. It's called Legendary Marketer. It's going to teach you how to become an internet marketer, basically showing you how to earn while you learn. And if you want to learn more about this, go ahead and click the start button that's next to me. It's green. Check it out. We'll see you soon, right? Then you upload that video to YouTube for free. You embed it in your website. Super simple. If you can share a video on YouTube, you can put it on your website. And that basically tells them what to do next. Well, the cool thing here is if you copy my template, which I'm going to give you the opportunity to do for free, all you have to do is swap out that video and put a little bit about you here. Like, hey, I'm in the construction business, but I started affiliate marketing to earn some extra income, or I'm a waiter, but I don't want to be a waiter forever, so I started affiliate marketing to build my business. Okay, just put that right here in this paragraph or two. But I already have these other testimonials already embedded here for you, so you don't have to worry about this. This is just going to give social proof to your offer. And once again, when you one-click install my template, if you decide to use it, you don't have to. If you don't want to, it's free. This will already be posted here. But here's where the magic really comes into play. Okay. So after you say, hey, you want to work with my friend Dave, who's an 8-figure marketer, in this little bridge page video here, then they're going to click the Start Now button. Well, when they do, that's going to take them over to the Legendary Marketer Online Business Builder Challenge. Over there, they're going to have an opportunity to learn more from Dave. This is going to be the video sales letter. This is what's going to do the work for you to make this commissions for you, right? They are offering all these bonuses to people who join, so it's going to entice people to join. You don't have to do any work. Once again, you're done at this point. Dave's going to come in and take care of the rest. He's going to sell them on the products. He's going to sell them on the masterminds later on down the road. And all of this is going to be attributed to you because when they click that little green Start Now button on your bridge page, you sent them over here, this link right here, you can see this. It has your unique, this is my unique affiliate ID, but it's going to have your unique affiliate ID in there. And the way you set that up is super simple. You just go back into ClickFunnels to your bridge page, click on Edit the Page. You go back into your Legendary Marketer as well. Click on the Affiliates section. Click on the Funnels section. Click on the Business Challenge section. Click on the Affiliate Links button. Scroll down to the Sales page. That's where you're going to find your unique URL that gives you the credit when Dave makes a sale. So if he sells something, you'll get your commission. Just simply copy that. Go back over to your bridge page. You're in ClickFunnels in the back office. When you click on this Start Now button, it's going to tell you to set the action, which is essentially embedding the link. Click on that and it says go to this website. Just delete mine. If you're copying mine, just delete mine. Paste yours. Here's a little tip. Put a space after it and delete that. Sometimes there's a little glitch in ClickFunnels. If you don't do that, it's not going to swap out your affiliate link. Do that for that button. Do the same thing for that button. Once again, embed your video here, update your bio there, and click Save. Now you have the two-step website that you need to get people over to this page. And once again, because they clicked on your link, then they are going to be attributed to you. If they buy something today, you're going to get the affiliate commission. If they buy something today and then buy something else that costs $2,000 next week, you're going to get the affiliate commission. Yeah, Dave and his team is doing all the work. That's what makes Legendary Marketers so great. So once again, we already know how to get the free traffic. You can copy the simple 2-page website, or you can make your own if you want to. That actually gets people over into the Legendary system that earns you the commission. And you're done. This is how you build a business, guys. If you want to learn more about this and you want to copy my 2-page website, just go ahead and go over to my15daychallenge.com. I'll go ahead and link it in the description below if you want. Just go ahead and start now. After you start, you're going to get an email from me that looks just like this. It's going to say, hey, I'm super excited for you to get started as an affiliate marketer. Right here, I'm going to give you an opportunity to get 14 days for free with ClickFunnels. Once again, that's what hosts your website. I'm going to show you how to download the 2-page website template for free. Just click this after you sign up for ClickFunnels and it'll automatically import it into your account. Recommended autoresponder. This is a 30-day free trial to GetResponse, which is going to offer you the opportunity to capture those emails and send automated sequences. This is really simple, and this is what gives you the passive income, builds the business. Remember, the money is in the list. Okay, you can get 30 days for free there. And then I'm going to teach you more about the Legendary Marketer opportunity. It's just going to be a short video that's going to tell you more. It's going to introduce you to Dave, and you're going to learn how you can make this work for you. Guys, it's really that simple. Free traffic and the 2-page website along with the Legendary Marketer program. It's a great business for beginners. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you see me give you more tips, tricks, and tactics as we go forward. If you want to get started, go to my15daychallenge.com to get started so you get the free template. That way it's almost all done for you. You can be up and running today, tomorrow, within the week for sure. We'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now go out there, start earning those commissions. Have a great day. Bye now.